Oh my goodness. Look at this really tasty looking assortment of things. This is actually a meal. Traeger sent it to me. It's the porchetta box. And the deal is they send you everything you need in the new Traeger provisions box. They come in a few different flavors. There's brisket, there's turkey. So they send you everything you need to throw a little feast for, I don't know, 6 to 8 people. Comes with all the recipes, although a lot of the stuff is already put together and just ready to throw right into the Traeger. So I'm gonna take you through the box opening so you can see exactly what it looks like when you get it. So here's a little sneak peek. I have a few other videos here at Sip Bite Go that'll show you what exactly comes in the porchetta meal box from the Traeger Provisions delivery service. I'm not sure if they're offering this year round. This has actually taken me a little while to post because we moved to somewhere a lot warmer, so I can do way more barbecuing all year round. We're in Texas now. This is right before we moved, and I just have not gotten to put it up. So here's a little look at everything that came in the kit. They sent you a recipe guide. I do have a little kiddo, so it's nice that they sent all this fun stuff. I appreciate everything down to all the little goodies and swag in these boxes. It was truly like Christmas if you're a smoked food enthusiast. So I see how receiving something like this Traeger Provisions meal box would be really great as a gift, or if someone's planning to host something like a holiday. Ooh, look at these tasty sauces. What do we have here? Let's see. How do I get it out? Oh my God. Ugh. Man, I can just not open things on camera, which is so funny. Because every time I open things on camera, you would think, oh, it gets better. All right, some hot sauce. Nice, nice. Another hot sauce. Oh, it's extra virgin olive oil. That's nice. It's definitely cold because it says this all thaws in like a day. Brine, salt. Ooh, is this jerky? Oh my God. Oh, my husband's gonna be really excited. Like whenever there's a new jerky to try, he's really into it. Nice. Oh my God, look at this. More sea salt. Wait. No, it's pumpkin seeds with sea salt. Oh my God, look, you can see right in the bag. Yum. And there are some prep gloves, which is great. We usually use like just blue Costco gloves, but that's great to have. Another goodie. Let's see, a little pin. Little sign. Like, I love that every single piece of this package has been like really nicely put together. Woo! It is cold and ow. Dry ice, it like burns kind of on the skin. Oh my God. Woo! Hold on one second. We got some gloves on. Ooh, peach cobbler. Oh my God, I am super excited. I absolutely love squash and this looks so good. Oh my God, there's pomegranate in there. The squash is already like prepped. It already has all the seeds hollowed out, which is awesome. Oh my God, I'm really excited for that. Some more spices here. There's some herb breadcrumbs, which sounds so delicious. Dough for the peach cobbler. We have here some butter. Nice, they're ready in only 45 minutes, which is awesome. And here is some 3 cheese mac and cheese, which looks like it's gonna be awesome. I absolutely love smoked mac and cheese. Smoked cheese in general is just so good. It's literally so exciting to peel back every single layer. This is so great. Oh my God, this is really heavy. It's heavy and it's really cold. It's all frozen. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Wow. All right, here's the porchetta or porchetta or salumi. Very nice. Wow. Almost 7 pounds. All right. That is it. Oh my God, look at this awesomeness. This is a Traeger Provisions box that they sent for me to use for a demo. And I am so excited because look at that beautiful porchetta I don't think it's porchetta. I think it's porchetta. It's ham. Oh my God, it's like ready, it's seasoned, ready to pop right on the Traeger. It comes with everything. I'm talking gloves, side dishes. The squash is like already prepared and ready to be seasoned and thrown in the Traeger. Peach cobbler. It looks so good. Some smoked mac and cheese with herb breadcrumbs. This is so amazing. Look at that. It also included some jerky, but my husband already took that. All right, I will be posting this in the coming weeks to see what we make. Cheers! All right, so after it thawed, which actually did take a few days, it said 1 day, but that porchetta was really big, so it took a little bit time to thaw. So what I did is I smoked the sides first because I was just going to move kind of soon after this and wanted to get that out of the way. So those smoked mashed potatoes were so light and fluffy. I can't believe that they arrived frozen. Wow. The smoked mac and cheese is really one of the richest, most flavorful. There's definitely a lot of barbecue rub in there. And I was really surprised by the smoked squash. It had that pomegranate vinaigrette dressing, and I wasn't sure if it was going to be too mushy, but it wasn't at all. It actually dried out very nicely. The reason I say mushy is because it came, you know, vegetables, they take on a lot of liquid when you freeze them, and it came, and I had to thaw it out, and a lot of liquid came out of the bag, but it actually was really delicious. It was really, really good. Served pretty much chilled. This is just it with some smoked ham from Sip Bite Go. Reason being is that it took a couple extra days to get that porchetta to thaw, so I definitely recommend thawing it a few days in advance. You want this box to arrive in advance. And I don't have here the smoked peach cobbler, but it was super delicious, and I can't believe all of this came in the box. You can find some of my favorite Traeger recipes at Sip Bite Go, and pretty soon I'll be sharing some more exciting things. Cheers!